at the end of your belly dance class, your teacher will take you through a cool down. So a good place to start is with the feet, maybe just on the outside edge of the hips. Taking a breath in, take the arms up. And like we did in the warm-up, bend the right knee and reach up. Bend the left knee and reach up. And again, reach it up. And up. Reach up, down and round. Just take the shoulders forward, up, back and down. Forward, up, back and down. And forward, up, back and down. Tip the head to the side. And the other side. And drop your chin down. Point your chin up towards the ceiling. And then take the feet in a little bit, bend the knees, tuck the hips under, take the arms up, round over, pull your belly button towards your spine, tuck the chin, and then pull your arms slightly round to one side, slightly round to the other side, back to the middle, come out and up, take a breath in, and then soften the knees, hinge at your hips, fold over. Now, you might find that your hands just reach about your knees or your calves. That's absolutely fine. Just let the arms hang. If you're a bit more flexible, they might touch the floor. But the point is that you feel a stretch in your lower back and down the legs. It's not about how far you get. And then if you soften the knees even more, keep the chin tucked, you're going to come up slowly through your spine so it rounds up till you get to the top. Make a fist with your hands, roll them around both directions. Take a deep breath in, and there you go.